Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm going to do a quick unboxing of a new Taurus GX4 9mm, and this is a little bit different version that some of you might not have seen yet. So let's open this up and take a look so we can see what's going on here a little bit. And this is the new GX4 Midnight Bronze. So you can just tell right away by looking at it. It's a totally new look with this Midnight Bronze finished firearm. And this is a factory option from Taurus. I have not modified this whatsoever. This is literally how it came right out of the box. In fact, you can see with this chamber flag here, I've not even touched this yet. So I've already done several videos on the GX4 before, including a rather thorough unboxing and review. So I'll just hit a couple highlights here in case somebody's finding this video that's new to the channel. But check the pinned comment for a couple things, including a couple previous videos I've done on the GX4. So we'll go through this as quick as I can. Owner's manual. Definitely read it if you're new to firearms. Order this pistol. And also, what's awesome about Taurus is they have their lifetime warranty. So quick reminder to activate that right away so you'll be covered if there was ever any defects or malfunctions or anything like that. I think I should do a Taurus gun lot collection video soon because I'm getting quite the collection. Let me know in the comments if you guys would look forward to that video. We have our little keychain, which also couples as a nice little takedown tool. I think these are pretty cool. We have an 11-round mag, an extra back strap, and then another 11-round mag in the handgun. So this comes with the two 11-round 9mm mags. So I've had this for a little while now, and I want to do this video because I'm really itching to take this out to the range and shoot it. Because as you've already seen before, I've had this GX4 for a while now. I've shot it quite a bit, including some on camera, and I really like this handgun quite a bit. So let's check it out, and I'll do maybe like a 5-minute review on this just because, again, there might be somebody who's not familiar. So what do we have here? This is basically a special edition with the Midnight Bronze slide. And by the way, check the pinned comment. I know where to get these right now, okay? We can't talk about it here on YouTube, and we're not gonna, but check out my locals community. Even if it's just to check out that linked post, you can join totally free, or you can support because, again, smoking deal. Check the pinned comment. You're definitely going to want to do that if you're not familiar with this version. And by the way, I want to thank all my supporters for making these types of videos possible. I bought this with my own money, the same way all of the rest of you would buy it. And I think there's actually a slightly better deal on it right now than what I paid. But all the people on Patreon, channel members, people who leave me generous super chats in my streams, and the supporters on locals, you guys help make this happen. So I want to thank all of you, and all of you who just watch the videos. You guys all contribute in so many ways. So we basically have a special edition Midnight Bronze colored slide, and this is a subcompact 9mm striker fired, single action. It has a 3-inch barrel. This is a teeny gun, guys, obviously made for carry. Only about an inch thick, about 4.5 inches tall. Excellent little package. Now, just like many Taurus firearms, it fits my hand like a glove, just instantly. Ergonomics are great. The grip texturing is awesome. It features a DLC barrel, which is really nice. Even my GX4 that I've shot quite a bit here, the finish is holding up very well, as you can see. And I have no doubt that this factory finish on the slide is going to hold up. It seems very durable. In the right light, you can kind of see a little bit of a metallic look here, but nothing gaudy. Under certain lights, it kind of has an FDE kind of look, but in real life, you can kind of see a little glint there. It does definitely have a bronzy look, which is really cool, right? All right, I'm going to pull the trigger for the first time on this and see what I think. Yep, just like I would expect. These GX4s, in my opinion, have an awesome little trigger. single action, so it doesn't have the restrike, but that's actually fine with me, because if you look, the trigger has a really nice shape, very wide. It has the blade safety here, which fits perfectly flush, very comfortable. It also has an internal striker blocker, so this is drop safe, as well as a chamber indicator right there where you can just look right through the hole. It's just basically a visual inspection hole there for the chamber. Let's check this trigger out again, because that's one of the things I really like. It has just enough weight where I feel comfortable concealed carrying it, but it's very crisp, very little take up, and a nice reset. So let's take a look at this trigger real quick for you. Okay, just a teeny bit of slack, but it hits a nice hard wall, very predictable, breaks cleanly. Check the reset. So we're just going to come out here nice and slow to show you guys what's going on. There's the reset, and then a very short, crisp pull. So you can fire very quickly and easily off the reset. Again, this is kind of a real quick drive-by review of the actual firearm itself, but definitely check that pinned comment for the post on locals. I'm going to give you guys a big heads up on these. I think you'll be happy. And then also to check out my Taurus playlist with other reviews on the GX4. I'm just going to pull the trigger a couple more times here. And oh yeah, this trigger is very nice right out of the box. And one more thing I'll add before I get out of here. For being a micro compact 9mm, you should actually take one of these out and shoot it if you haven't yet. Very, very smooth shooter. My wife shot mine. She thought it was quite enjoyable. And here's why the recoil is so tame on these. It has a polymer grip frame, but this is actually an internal chassis gun where it has a set of long stainless steel rails that are integrated into a chassis that also protrudes down in the grip. So basically you have a metal chassis that the reciprocation of the slide rides on, therefore drastically reducing the recoil, making this gun very smooth compared to traditional polymer framed guns that normally just have like a locking block in them and a couple pins. This is a true chassis gun, making it unlike some of the previous Taurus models and many other brands of handguns. It also features a steel guide rod with a very robust, strong spring, and just that chassis smooth. I mean, the rails literally run from the end here all the way up to 3/4 from the front. Look for a video very soon on this channel of me taking this down to show you guys maintenance, and then we'll take a look at that chassis inside of there. So yeah, very, very rigid little construction. It conceals well. The trigger's awesome. The ergonomics for me are actually like really, really good. So the Taurus GX4 Midnight Bronze Edition. And stay tuned on the channel because I have many more videos to come, including some more vids on the GX4. Alright, thanks for watching, and have a good one.